Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. Today I'll show you how to change battery sound. Let's download this app firstly from Play Store. Then open it, tap on plus and choose mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. And then choose sound source between audio file, ringtone and text-to-speech.
Disconnected.
Now, name your function and give it description. At the end, tap this icon to save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.